For those of you that have a Kawasaki Vulcan S that you've either lost the toolkit or you bought secondhand and it didn't come with the toolkit, I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you what's in the toolkit. So, comes in a nice little case that fits neatly under the seat, and in here there is no neat way to do this. I'll just tip it all out. So in here we have two spanners, 10, 12, 12 and 14. We have larger wrenches for, I think actually for wheel bolts, a 27 and a 22. We have a set of incredibly flimsy pliers, adjustable, what would you call that? Adjustable mouth, adjustable grip. We have the suspension C-spanner, and we have, I don't know what you'd call this, I just call it a extension arm, a leverage arm. So basically with these, where you need a lot of leverage, slot it onto the end, gives you more length and therefore more leverage. And it's a lot more comfortable to hold that bit than it is that bit. Works the same with the C-spanner for doing the suspension, although I'm not sure it's designed for that. And then you have 3 Allen keys, Allen wrenches, in 3 sizes. Not a chance I'm going to be able to tell you what size they are. But that's it. That's the Kawasaki Vulcan S Toolkit. Not really a lot to it, and I would say not very high quality tools. If you were going to build a toolkit for yourself, you could probably come up with better versions of these tools. Whether they would fit neatly underneath the seat is a completely different matter. I may come up with a selection of tools from Amazon so that you could build this toolkit yourself to replace what you've got or to replace what you haven't got anymore. Have a look in the description. If it's there, I did that. If it isn't, I didn't. But if you ask me to do it, then I will definitely do it. Maybe. Really not thought this bit through. So anyway, that's the toolkit.